Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Peugeot 3008 petrol, petrol, I think 3 cylinder. Yes, petrol 3 cylinder EcoBoost engine. However, customer complained he had a occasionally starting problem. Basically, while he start the car is not starting. First attempt, two attempt, third attempt. Sometimes it's starting, sometimes it's not. So after that, the one garage diagnostic and they change the battery. Then still problem same. After that, he went to the same garage and they checked the battery and they said fine, but they couldn't do any more for the deeper. I'll show you what's going on and what happened. At the moment, car not starting, car can't make it neutral, and car can't release parking brake. I'll show you. Yeah, when I ignition on, you can see nothing. Battery charge faulty. Stop the vehicle. Yeah, that's why it's dashboard saying lot of faulty codes there. And if some reason, if someone need to release the parking brake, I'll show you how we're going to do it. Ignition on and press the brake pedal hard for the down and hold this button downward. You can see it's released now. Then you can move the car. If you need to apply again, you can apply. It's apply now. And the next question people ask, if something happen like that, car not starting, electrical system disabled now, even you can see your windows not working, nothing, all electrical system disable this car, then very hard to make it neutral to push the car. You can see here when you apply, nothing happen, just leave moving up and down, but you couldn't make it neutral. I'll show you how we're going to make it neutral easy. You don't want any special tool, you need to go to the engine bay. This is the gear selector. You can see this is the gear selector. You can press here and lift up, then it will disconnect from this connector. You can see here it say one side neutral and other side P. Once you disconnect this cable, after that you can push this one to whichever. When you take it backward, yeah, when you take it backward, it's coming to the parking position. If you bring it forward like this, it's coming to the neutral position, right? Once it come into neutral position, you can move the car without any problem, right? We'll see what's going on and what happened here. First of all, I'll check the battery voltage. I feeling battery voltage okay for this car, never know. Yeah, vehicle has a good charging battery. I don't have any doubt for the battery. Next step, yes or no, I'll take a negative line and one to the here. This is my small experiment, and one to the body. Right, and we'll see what's the voltage for the engine bay. Yeah, you can see it's 12.5655 there, right? Okay, now I'll just try to start the car, have a look if it's something might be changing. I don't know, I'm just try. No, nothing. Right, okay, that's fine. At least we tried. We can't. What to do? Okay, right. Now I need to dig in the problem little bit. At the moment, I'm not 100% sure what's going on. However, I can see the timing belt inside. Yeah, it's there. Right. Next step, I'll jack up the car, go underneath, and physically check all wiring, connectors, and the fuses. Okay. Then after that, I'll come back to you. At the moment, I'll check all wiring is look good for me. I couldn't see any problem. I checked the fuse box, all good for me, nothing there, and we check inside also, all good for me. Next step, what I'm going to do, I'll go to disconnect this line, and this is the battery control module. Basically, I feeling some scenarios this battery control module fail. Most Peugeot 3008. I suspect that's the could be problem, just suspect. But however, I'll open the cover, do another power line, and have a look what's going on there. I'm going to disconnect the battery connector, leave it out of my way, and remove the module. Need to disconnect this connector here, take a small space. Right, I feeling another one screw here in the front. First of all, I'll remove these two screws. Right, that two screws out. Okay, right, we can see now clearly we took it out, and we need to get access to the back also. Well, however, I have all access. Next step, I will connect the line again and connect the positive. Right, I'm going to check with my probe. This side all positive, this side all negative. Yeah, look like a all lines okay for me. Right, however, I feeling sometime there is a inside module. Visually I can't see that module. However, I feeling that module little bit playing up. That's why the electrical not bypassing nicely. Whatever, I will pass message to the customer and come back to you. Welcome back to the job again. Basically, customer order parts from the online. I don't know what I get. I'm going to open. Look like a brand new unit. Yeah, okay. Some reason normally it's covered with this unit with this tape. However, someone open before, we'll see the part number 96753 9675350 308. Yeah, part number match, JL06. Yeah, it's match. Yeah, look like the correct parts. Right, what we need to do, we need to remove one here and install here. Next one again install to the new unit. You have to go one by one. Remove this one, install to the new unit. That's one, otherwise you will mix up the old wires and line. I'm going to remove one and install here. You can do that day also behind here something. All identically okay. Then let's go one by one. I'll start from the back side. You can see here, first fuse there, and second one, third one missing, fourth 50, 40, 30, 30. Yeah, back side fine. Yeah, okay. I'll go one by one and I'll come back to you. Pins 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, all look good for me. Just couple of straight by hand. After that we need to go to the second one, all 8 mil. I'll make it loose everything. Okay, I'll do like that one by one. Once I complete the all connections, I'll come back to you. And after that, I need to do the same thing that side. We install everything back just tiny tight. Right, all done. Install cover and need to connect another two wires. This one for the top side and the bottom one for the bottom line. Yeah. Yeah, after that I'll install the cover, the casing, and come back to you. I already installed the new unit, and this is the old unit. I took it off from the car. Install this cover to the fuse board. Actually, I'm installing later. Then I didn't do any computer resettings. I'm going to leave it everything as it is, and I'll try to start the car and have a look what's going on. Connect positive line. Right. Okay. And gear lever I already disconnect. It's in a parking position. It's okay. We'll see. Start the car and what's going on. I'm going to start the car. Ignition on. Still say energy economy mode active. I'm going to start the car. Wow, no problem. Boom, start. Went to 2 3 garages, couldn't do anything. That's why people come to the Sanu Motors. Simple as it is, not hard at all. Anyway, I'm going to switch off and I'm going to start the car again. Yeah, boom, all light disappeared. Yeah, next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect the gear lever connector, otherwise we can't do the gears. I had to connect here, very awkward place, just push in this unit. Right. You heard click sound. That means it's spot on. We'll take the car backward and forward. We'll see how is the gear lever working. Start the car and put it to the reverse gear and take it backward. Yeah, car moving forward, car moving, switch off. Right. Okay. Right. Next step, I'm going to plug in my scanner and delete the old faulty code store in there already, and we'll see how is the battery charging. Yeah, it's 14.3331. Yeah, it's good sign. Alternator doing the job. All fine. I'm going to install this cover. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do. Comment section open for you. I didn't do any rocket science. Just follow the way, basic checkings. End of the day, like this car running. See you in the next video.